In this video, I want to show you how you can share your Temu link. Now for this to work, you want to Google Temu affiliate and you want to sign up to the affiliate program. Don't worry, everyone gets accepted, so just quickly sign up. It's only going to take a few minutes. And after you've signed up, you should have your affiliate program right here. Then what you can do is you can come down here and these are the links that you can get. So these two are only for new app users. This is in my currency, but it's about $100 coupon. And this is for all users. So new app user means that they have never installed Temu before. So if you send this link to someone and they have never installed it or used it before, you will get your referral from this one. Now this one works for all. So as long as they use this code from you, then you're gonna get your affiliates. So what you want to do is you can either copy the code in here or you can press on share and there will be a code that you can copy right here. So that is basically how that works, guys. Now, if you want to invite people to the affiliate program that they can be affiliates themselves, you can also come in here and you can get a code inside of here for that. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.